Okay, so in this kit we've got a Mesh Clip Gabion, so this is supplied with all the panels you need. So this particular one's a 1 metre by 1 metre by 1 metre Gabion. It'll have 6 panels, it will have all the bracing hooks, and we will then supply the required amount of clips. Now these clips can be broken off and used with this tool to clamp them together, which we'll show you very shortly. So in this 1 metre Gabion kit, you'll get 6 bracing hooks in this particular size. The number of hooks and the length of them will vary depending on what size of Gabion you do buy, but you'll get the right amount in the kit. This one is making a cube, so there's actually 6 panels in there. And we will supply these clips, which go in this tool to clamp them together. Clipping these Gabions together uses these CL35 clips. This manual tool is a way to do a small number. You can also get a pneumatic tool to do them, or a manual one which takes the strips, which is a lot easier for larger quantities. So the clip would actually go in the tool like that, but you've got to think that the mesh would be in between that. And so once the clip is around the mesh, you just push the clamp like that, hold it tight, and then it's made a nice connection there. So we start clipping on the first aperture nearest the corner. We would then do this aperture with another clip when we do that way. We do 1 every 3 apertures, so we're missing 2, that's the minimum. Clip over. Make sure the clip's entirely in the hole, in the pliers, and clamp. Then we go on to the next one. So now on a corner we've got a clip there, there and on here, so all the corners are nice and tight. So to stop the basket bulging, you get these wire hooks, which when you're filling with the stone, you would put them in at 3rd layer. So you've got 3 going one direction, so it would just go on an aperture to an aperture, and then you would have the other way as well. So you'd go 2 one way, so you'd go this way and this way. So these essentially are then just to stop these baskets being pulled out with the stone pushing that way. And so what you would do, when you get that, you would clamp that round and tighten it.